For me, it's a lot easier to use Photoshop's keyboard shortcuts than it is to go up into the options bar and control the settings there. So let me take a moment or two and show you shortcuts for making the brush bigger or smaller. They are the brackets key on your keyboard next to the P key. Let me grab a color, and my brush is set at 45 pixels, and let me paint a line here. I'm going to press the right square brackets key a couple of times, and you'll see that the brush is now larger. A couple more times and even larger. If I press my left square brackets key a couple of times, the brush will get smaller. A couple more times and smaller still. So that's how you control the size of your brush.